Hey everyone, welcome back. I've got another awesome cocktail here for you today called the Bittersweet Symphony. This is going to be a lightly sweet but very lime forward cocktail. Again, depending on the gin that you use, your botanicals are going to come through as well. This is going to be a shaken cocktail, so we're going to have our shaker tin. Make sure you have your jigger for a balanced cocktail, that's important. And then you are going to need your hawthorn strainer as well as a mesh strainer because we are going to be using fresh lime juice with this one. So you're going to need lime juice, some simple syrup, Angostura bitters, and then your favorite gin. Again, my favorite gin tends to be a little bit more floral and citrusy, but whatever you want to use is okay with me. So we are going to start off with 2 dashes, or you can spill like I just did, 2 dashes of the Angostura bitters. We're going to do 0.75 ounces of lime juice, fresh lime juice, I might add. 0.75 ounces of simple syrup, and then again 2 ounces of your favorite gin. And then we are going to fill the shaker tin up to the top with ice. This has got a really fun color to it. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then we are going to shake until the shaker tin is ice cold in our hand. Ta-da! We're going to pop the top off, if I can get it off. Use our hawthorn strainer, and of course that mesh strainer for the fresh lime juice. I got new mesh strainers, yay me. It's got a nice light pinky color to it, but I can actually already smell the lime juice from here. All right, we're gonna set that all off to the side. Now for our garnish, we can do a couple of things. You could do a lime twist, but as you all know, if you've watched any of my previous videos, I hate twists. So instead, I have a beautiful dehydrated lime here that has a gorgeous smell to it. So we're just gonna plop that right on top. And there it is, the Bittersweet Symphony. Don't forget, guys, if you like what I'm doing here, if you enjoy the cocktails, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I want to hear from you. I want to talk with you guys. So until the next pour, cheers.